Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we are here again at Petrie Island, and we're going to talk about sunrises and sunsets and my tips on how to photograph them. So one of my biggest tips for shooting sunrises and sunsets, the white balance, put it in the shade, and that gives it that nice golden hue that helps a lot with sunrises and sunsets. Tip number 2, use a good tripod. I usually have it at aperture priority mode. I set it to an aperture of f13, f11, somewhere around there. And that's gonna set your shutter speed to like a second or two. So you want a really good tripod and make sure it's sturdy and everything so it doesn't give any camera shake. So another good tip I have for shooting sunrises and sunsets, because you're using a long exposure, use the timer, like a 2-second timer or a 10-second timer. That way, like, you pressing the shutter button doesn't vibrate the camera and makes everything all nice and crystal clear. Now another thing is, you got to remember these are landscape shots, just with beautiful colors, right? So apply everything you know about landscape photography into this. Like, you need some foreground, background, and everything like that. Focus on something, all the landscape photography stuff. So yeah, those are my tips on sunrise and sunset photography. So if you like these videos, you want to see more from me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy shooting. Look at that sunrise, eh? Absolutely incredible.